So, I'm about to take a trip that I've been planning for a long time. It's the real first journey in the bus, and I'm nervous. More nervous than I expected. This bus has been a project of mine for quite a while. I've put hours and days into building it, and now it's ready. Or at least I think it is. But the real question is, am I ready? Now, there's a funny thing about going on your first adventure that no one tells you. Sometimes it's the hardest to just start. Not the building, not the planning, but just stepping out and facing the unknown. I've been thinking about why this is so hard for me. And I think because when you put so much time into something, it's very easy to think about what can go wrong. What if the bus breaks down? What if we don't make that destination in time? What if these time frames that I've set up in my head don't actually get there? What if? But the truth is, the biggest challenge isn't the what ifs. It's finding the courage to go anyways, to do what you want, to face those fears and embrace the unknown and really figure out what you want. I've learned that's where the real adventure starts. It's not about being fearless. It's about moving forward despite the fear. I'm about to head to the coast, the first real trip. I don't know what's gonna happen, and honestly, that scares me. But I think that's what it's about. Adventure, self-discovery, and learning as I go. And maybe, just maybe, I'll learn a little bit about myself along the way. Well, here is the first step of many.